Are you an educator looking for an easy way to create assessment questions? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate high quality questions in no time. Welcome. ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence that can have conversations with people. It is owned by OpenAI. Here is how it works and why it's so cool. You can ask questions such as, can you explain how water cycle works? Or get writing help such as, help me write a story about a superhero. Or solve problems such as, what's the solution to this maths question? Using ChatGPT for creating assessment questions help in time saving, versatility, and so on. Now, let's dive into the menu of the day, which is to create assessment questions with ChatGPT. Step 1, define the topic and scope. This means choose the subject and specific topics for your assessment. Today, we'll create questions for a grade 8 algebra quiz. Step 2, prepare your prompts. Write clear and specific prompts for ChatGPT. A prompt like, generate 5 multi-choice questions about basic algebra for high school students. Number 3, it is important to interact with ChatGPT, just like the way I'm typing. Step 4, review and edit generated question for accuracy and clarity. Step 5, organize the question in a neat format. Show how to create a document or quiz form with the questions. A prompt such as, generate 3 short answer questions on quadratic equation. For science, the prompt can be, create 5 true or false questions about the water cycle for 6th grade students. And for history, the prompt can be, write 4 multi-choice questions about the Nigerian Civil War. Here are some tips to use. Use consistent language and format in your prompts. 2, be specific in your prompts to get more relevant questions. 3, always and always review your work and adjust the questions to fit your needs perfectly. In summary, we have been able to find a topic, prepare prompts, interact with ChatGPT, review and edit, organize, and format. If you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more educational tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what other topics you would like to be covered. Have you tried using ChatGPT for creating questions? Share your thoughts and experience. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.